Dear children, how are you all? Enjoyed the last lesson? Now, today we are going to learn a new one. You are going to enjoy about the fish. Yes, all of you love that fish, na? So especially aquarium. Very good. So you all love that aquarium, right? So now the poem we are going to learn, we are going to enjoy the poem. Fish, oh fish, fish. Fish, oh fish. So have you seen the fish? Yes. Have you been to an aquarium first? Yes, you have. You have that at home. Very good. Very nice. Some of you have aquariums at home. And at least who didn't have those people? Have you seen the aquarium? Where? Very good. In the hotels, malls, where at maximum places we have aquariums. Na? So at home means some kind of size. But in the hotels and big malls, big aquariums also we have. Right? Now see this one. So what are the various types of fishes have you seen there? Yes, same kind of fish have you seen in the aquariums? No, different colors, different types of fish you have seen, right? Now, enjoyed their diving. So enjoyed their diving. Diving means swimming. What is the meaning of diving, Nana? Diving means, yes, swim fishes. The fishes swim. So diving means here we can call it swimming. So that side, this side, always they swim like this, na? Yes, that we have. So now recite the poem. Some have spots, some have stripes, but I will tell you this, they are all nice. I'll tell you this, those are all very nice, right? So what are those? Some have spots. Spots means small round marks. So spots means small round marks. Small round marks. So that we call it spots. Spots, na? Yes. So some have spots and some have stripes. Stripes, colored bands. Stripes means lines, we can call it stripes, colored bands. Bands we can call it, or lines we can call it. Some sheep lines, we get it, na? Yes, some are stripes. So, but I will tell you, they are nice, very beautiful they are, right? So some have spots, some have stripes, but I will tell you this, they all are nice. Right? So see the next one. Gold and silver, red and pink. Here they swim, there they sink. Gold and silver. Yes, fish have you seen? Gold color fish, silver color fish, red color, pink color, right? Gold and silver, red and pink. Here they swim, and there they sink. Sink means move down slowly. So here sink means move down slowly. Move down slowly. Gold and silver, red and pink. Here they swim. There they sink. Here they swim. There they sink. Sink means they go down very slowly. Right, children? Hither and thither, round and free, they dance with joy and jump in glee. Hither and thither, round and free, they dance with joy and jump in glee. Hither and thither. Hither and thither means here and there. What is that? Hither and thither. Hither. Hither and thither. Thither. Hither and thither means Nana, so that we should write here and there. So in the aquarium, the fish in the same place. No, here and there they move, and you are calling, you are making sounds. Then again they come and dance also, right? Here and there, hither and thither, here and there, round and free, very here, there, round and free, they dance with joy and jump in glee. Jump in glee. Glee means happiness. So jump in glee. Glee means very happy. So then we call it happiness. So hither and thither, round and free, they dance with joy and jump in glee. And jump in glee. They make me happy with their colorful dance. They make me happy with their colorful dance. They are fishes in my tank. To them my thanks. The fishes in my tank. To them my thanks. Right? So to make them happy, they make me happy. Yes, by seeing the fish in the aquarium, do you feel happy? Very happy. With their colorful dance. Yes, with a colorful dance. That side, this side, like this, they are doing dancing now. Yes, the fish in my tank, to them my thanks. So they are doing dancing, and I am enjoying a lot seeing them. So that's why what are the fish in my tank? I say thanks to them. I say thanks to them. Okay, so to them my thanks. Right, children? So once I am reading the poem, see, some have spots and some have stripes, but I will tell you this, they are all nice. Right? And gold and silver, red and pink, here they swim and there they sink. Hither and thither, round and free, they dance with joy and jump in glee. So jumps they do with very happiness. They make me happy with their colorful dance. To the fishes in my tank, to them my thanks. To them my thanks. Right, children? So very easy and interesting poem. Now see the rhyming words. What do we have in that? So here spots, stripes. Sa sounds in the last. Rhyming words, you know na. Last we get the same sound. Okay, spots, stripes. This nice. This nice. And silver. Silver we are not getting anything, ma. Pink, sink. Pink, sink. So silver we can take thither, thither. Okay. Next one, free, glee. Free, glee. And next one, dance, thanks. Dance, thanks. Okay, children. Like this we have rhyming words. Like this we have rhyming words. Okay, children. So enjoy this, and then first all of you read the poem, enjoy it, and next class we can see the question answers. See, children, so all of you have read the poem? Read it? Very good. Nice, children. So now see the next part. We have comprehension part. What do we have? Comprehension part now. So from the comprehension part, here we have comprehension part. In this we have time to answer. So what can we answer? Answer the following questions. What do we have the questions? All of you open the notes and textbook both. Write the answers in the notes. Question answers write in notes. So even textbook also questions you read out. What is the first question, ma? Who has spots and stripes on them? Who has spots and stripes on them? Who has spots and stripes? Yes, some have spots, some have stripes. What are those? Fish. Oh, fish, right? So that's why you should write. First question, write down, ma. Who has spots and who has spots and stripes on them? Read the question. Who has spots and stripes on them? What is the question, ma? Who has spots and stripes on them? Who has that? Yes, the fish. So answer we can write. The fish have spots and the fishes have spots and stripes on them. Stripes on them. Who has spots and stripes on them? The fishes have spots and stripes on them. The fishes have spots and stripes on them. Okay, ma? Who has spots and stripes on them? The fishes have spots and stripes on them. Okay, Nana? And see the second question, what do we have? Name the different colors of fish in the tank. Yes, can you tell me? Very good. Gold, silver, red, pink. Very good. Write the question. Name the different colors of fish. Name the different colors of fish in the tank. In the tank. So what are those? Name the different colors of fish in the tank. What are those? Answer: gold, silver, red and pink. Red and pink. These are the colors we have now. So gold, silver, red and pink. Next one. See the next question. How do the fishes dance? How do the fishes dance? How do they dance? They dance with joy. So write the question. Third one. How do the fishes dance? How do the fishes dance? So how do they dance? Write the answer for that. The fishes dance with joy. The fishes dance with joy. That fishes dance with joy. Okay, children, that we should write. And see the next question, what do we have? How do the fishes make you happy? How do the fishes make you happy? How? Yes, with their colorful dance, right? So write the question. How do the fishes make you happy? How do the fishes make you happy? How they are? Yes, the fishes make you happy. The fishes make me happy. The fishes make me happy with their colorful dance. COLOURFUL, colorful dance. The fishes make me happy with their colorful dance. Okay, children. And so how do the fishes make you happy? The fishes make me happy with their colorful dance. Okay, ma. See the fifth question. Do you like to have a fish tank at home? Yes, right? You love that one. Write the question. So write the question. Do you like to have a fish tank at home? Fish tank at home. Yes, then answer yes. Yes, simple answer. Yes, I like. Or else yes. Do you like to have a fish tank at home? Yes. Right, children? So these are the question answers. Once I am telling, see, who has spots and stripes on them? Who has the fish? So the fishes have spots and stripes on them. The fishes have spots and stripes. Stripes spelling nana stripes. Stripes on them. And name the different colors of fish in the tank. Name the different colors of fish in the tank. So what are those? Gold, silver, red and pink. Gold, silver, red and pink. And how do the fishes dance? Yes, the fishes dance with joy. Enjoy. So how do the fishes make you happy? Yes, seeing the fishes you feel happy now. Why? How? The fishes make me happy with their colorful dance. And do you like to have a fish tank at home? Yes. Yes. Right, children? These answers write in your book and learn the question answers, all of you. Okay, ma? Write down fast. See, children, so the next topic after comprehension question answers, we have vocabulary part. What is this vocabulary part? Time to learn new words. Time to know new words. What can we learn? What can we know the new words? Already at the time of poem I told you na. Same words you get. See this one, first one, spots. First one you get spots. What are the spots? Spots means, yes, a small round marks, we call it spots. On the fish, even on the cows also we get some spots, right? Some types of dogs, right? So spots, small round marks, we call it spots. And stripes means those are colored bands. Colored lines are colored bands, we call it stripes. And see the third word, next word, Nana, sink. Sink means move down slowly, going down very slowly, that we call it sink. And hither and thither means here and there. Hither and thither means here and there. Glee means happiness. Glee means happiness. Okay, children? So very few words. These are very easy to you also. Already you got these words. Yes, very good. So learn these words once again. See, children, so the next one we have time to spell well. What do we have in the time to spell well? Here we have first one, letters of alphabet to be written in flashcards. Letters of alphabet. Some alphabet we have written on flashcards and kept in the box. Okay, now the students have to pick up the flashcards and frame new words. So you should pick up the flashcards and from that whatever the letters we have written on the card, with that you should create the words. You should create the words. So will you do it? Are you interested? Okay, so then we can do that topic. So all of you get ready for that. Okay, children. Second part we have in the time to spell well only. Second part we have fill in correct letters. Fill in correct letters to make a new word. Fill in correct letters to make a new word. So what are these? So how can we fill it? To make new words. New word. To make a new word. So to get the new word, we should fill this word. Okay, so see the first one. This is A. So see the picture, Nana. There, what are the pictures you have? Yes, there we have rose is there, frog is there, and snail is there. Right? Now I am writing the sentences. Tell me what are those. This is A R dash dash E. And second one. This is A F dash dash G. And third one, this is A S dash dash L. Right, so S dash S N dash dash L. So these words I have given. Pictures, yes, seeing the pictures you can tell me what is the first one. Very good. Rose. Rose. Rose spelling, Nana? R-O-S-E. So where can we write here 3 sentences? Very good. First one. R-O-S-E. Rose. This is a rose. And see the second one. What do we have? Frog. Yes. In the second one. This is a frog. Spelling. I don't know spelling. Tell me. Very nice. F-R-O-G. Frog. Next one. This is a dash. What do we have? Snail. Spelling? S-N-A-I-L. Snail. Right? This is a rose. This is a frog. This is a snail. So 3 they have given pictures. Seeing the pictures, we should find the word and should fill the blanks. Understood this, Nana? Very easy, na? Yes. Do this one. Write in the book, all of you. See, children. So the next topic we have, it's a time to rhyme. What can you rhyme? Say it as fast. So very fast. Can you speak? Can you tell this one? Very easy and interesting. See this. Fresh fried fish, fish fresh fried. Fried fish fresh, fish fried fresh. So only 3 words repeated in all the places. Right? So try this one. Fresh fried fish. So first, fresh fried fish. So fish is fried very fresh. So that's very fresh. Fish fried fried. Fish fried fried. Fish fresh fried. Fish fresh fried. So fresh fried fish. Fresh fried fish. Fish fresh fried. Fish fresh fried. Fried fish fresh. Fried fish fresh. Fish fried fresh. Fish fried fresh. Okay, children. Try it again. Fresh fried fish. Fish fresh fried. Fried fish fresh. Fish fried fresh. So all are different places. 3 words only, but different places. Okay. So all are easy. So but all are tongue twisters we call it. Okay. Fresh fried fish, fish fresh fried, fried fish fresh, fish fried fresh. Right? You got it? Try it as fast as you can. Try it. Okay, children. After trying next class, I'll ask you, you should tell me very fast. Fresh fried fish, fish fresh fried, fried fish fresh, fish fried fresh. Should tell that one. Okay? Will you practice? Enjoy it. So then that first you practice that one at the home, and now we can do the next topic. What do we have the next topic? Yes, it's a time to write. You have book na? So what do we have? It's a time to write. What do we have? Complete the similar sounding words from the poem. Similar sounding words. What are those? I told you at the time of poem. Yes. Rhyming words, right? Rhyming words. Ending same sound we get. Rhyming words we call. See, simple words they have given here. 3. Those 3 you should write. Similar words from the poem. What we have? Pink is there. Pink, similar word, similar sounding word. What did we get? In the poem only, not general. Pink, sing, not rhyming words. I mean, in the poem, not rhyming words, generally rhyming words, but from the poem. Okay, pink, that for that rhyming word sink. Free, free. For that poem, from the poem, what do we have? Glee. Free, glee. And next one, what do we have? Dance, thanks. Very good. Dance, thanks. Okay, ma. So, what are the similar sounding words? Pink, sink. Free, glee. Dance, thanks. Right? Thanks. So, these are the just they are the three that further similar sounding words, these three. Okay, children. So, learn these also. Write down fast in your book and then learn these. See, children, so in the time to write only, we have the next part, second part. Make new words by filling the first letter. What are these new words? How can we find the first letter? See this. So here in the first one they have given one word, that is sink. So they gave sink. So for the second one, in the same one, they gave ink, I-N-K, ink. And another one also ink. So for this ink, by adding the S, sink it became. And like this, tell me another two words, three words. Yes. So pink, sink, pink. So I am writing this, pink. And this one, very good, link. Link, we can take it. Right, like this you should write. Okay, ma? Shall I write remaining? Yes, second first one, what do we have? Fish. So second one, dash, I-S-H. And third one also, dash, I-S-H. So tell me this, one is fish. And I-S-H words. Yes, wish. Very good, dish. Very good, dish. And third one, see Nana, in the third one, first one, what do we have? U-S-H words. So bush, they give bush. And dash U-S-H. Third one, dash U-S-H. So what can we write? Can you tell me? What can you write? So bush, push, bush, push, rush. Bush, push, rush. Okay, ma. And next, fourth one also we have. What are those? Tell me, see that? Pat. They gave the first word, pat. And remaining they gave second one, dash 80 and dash 80. Yes, very good. Bat. Very nice. Cat, mat, fat. Right. So say this, I-N-K, word ended with I-N-K. So first letter if we add should get another new words. What are those? Sink, pink, link, fish, wish, dish, and bush, push, rush. And here pat, bat, cat. Right, children? So all are same sounding words. They gave filling the first letter. Make the new words. Yes, of course. New words we have created. Right? All of you got it? Yes. Enjoy this once you read and write in the book first. Okay, ma? Write down. See, children, so the next and last topic in this poem. What is this poem name? Fish. Oh, fish. Right? So what is the topic we have? Yes, your favorite. It's a time to do, that is project work. What do we have the project work here? Color the picture. What is that? Color the picture. So what is this? Let us color the fish. Which color fish you like it? Gold, silver, pink, yellow, grey, green. Your wish. Which color you like the most, with spots and stripes also you can write. Okay, children. So draw this one. All of you very interested in coloring now? Yes, draw this one. Okay, Nana, you can give some spots and or stripes, anything also. No problem at all, but your favorite color, it should look very beautiful. Okay, try that. And see the next one, what do we have? Visit an aquarium near your house. Visit an aquarium near your house and write whatever you see there. So at home, that is a small one, means we don't get much fish na. So but a nearby very big aquarium if we go, yes, different colors of fish they get. right? So go there and whatever the fish you observe, so whatever you see there, you write about them, color of them, size of them, how they are dancing, how they are kissing, everything you can write. Okay, children? So whenever you go like this, or else very nearby if you have, yes, see that. Otherwise, next time whenever you go to hotel or else any place where you have aquarium, so they ask your father, he will take you, and ask your father or mother, definitely they will take you. And what you observe there, so write a few lines on them, right? Few lines on them here, just 2 to 3 sentences in these 2 lines you can write. Okay, children, will you do it? Yes, do this one.